Josh, you need to learn how to turn. Turn. You're gonna crash again. Uh-oh. See? I told you, Josh. You gotta learn how to turn. Oh, my goodness. This little kid, it's probably gonna take him a while for him to learn how to drive. You're gonna crash again. You're gonna crash again. Okay. Now what you gonna do? No. You gotta go backwards. Jesus. Now go forward. Oh my goodness. What you laughing at? Huh? Now what are we gonna do? Forward? Ready? Okay, go ahead. Go. Josh. You gotta pull out from there, little buddy. There you go. Okay, but now you're gonna go crash again. Wait, Josh. Turn, Josh. No! Okay, somebody's having too many accidents for one day. Back up. You gotta back up. Now you go forward. There you go. Josh! Josh! Turn, little buddy, turn. You're gonna crash again. Alright, there he goes again. Jesus. You got a big old street, nigga. What's up, you tired? Okay. Now he's getting off. What you doing? Where you going now? No more crash dummy? Huh? Wait, where you going? And now he wants to walk. Great. Josh, where you going? I see what he saw. He saw a soccer ball. That's not yours. Hey, Josh. Hey, bring that soccer ball back. That's not yours. Venga, tráigase para acá. Bring it back. That's not your ball. Hey, come here, Josh. Where are you going? This little nigga wants to dip by himself. Come here. Come this way. Okay, so he just stole the ball and now he wants to dip with it. Dude, what are you trying to do? Papi, you have a ball at home, man. You have your own little ball at your house. Now what you gonna do? You gonna dip? You can't take both of them. Uh-oh. Okay. Hi, little girl. Josh, he has a little buddy over here watching him. Hey, come here. Come back here. Alright, we'll keep recording later. I'm out. It's fucking hot as shit over here.